what we have here is a universal spinner. 52-inch. Teak cane blades. Variable speed. It is made by Shi Chen. Typically you see these labeled as Toastmaster and such. Shi Chen is the sister company to Feng. So, you see we have a bit of a tassel. Isn't that lovely? Let's see what it does. Starting on the lowest speed. I have the trim pot set as low as it'll go. So, the low speed is a little faster than average, but not the end of the world. So now, I'm going to put it up about 1/8 of a turn, maybe a little more. Another 1/8. Another 1/8. Starting to move air now. Another 1/8 or so of a turn. Seems like high speed, but we're not quite there. No, straight up high. What is the usual case with these fans is they run quite high on, or quite fast on high. This fan runs mostly off of speed. Turn it off. Another little thing about this fan that you probably won't notice is the pull chain is combination. You see the knob, looks like something off of a stereo system. Isn't that lovely? But yeah, the pull chain is a combination fan, light, and, pull chain. First it's fan, then it's light, then it's both. Or maybe it's the other way around, but you get the gist. Look at that nice arch end. Isn't that fun? nice cane. Now we're going to reverse it. Set the knob back to its lowest speed. We're going to start on low again. Now, what is also usual with Feng or Shi Chen fans is they run slower in updraft than they do in downdraft. Considerably slower. So, that equates to what normally would have been a relatively fast low speed in downdraft is actually an aesthetic low in updraft, or reverse. It's almost a Casablanca low, a very lovely aesthetic low. Maybe 25 RPMs. So we'll cycle through the speeds about halfway up. Now we set it to the highest speed in reverse. As you can see, it's not very fast. It's maybe 100, 120 RPMs tops. Maybe 130, possibly 140. You've seen that. Coast down again. Normally with fans like this, you only see them in 48-inch. That was the common size. 36 and 52-inch are, of course, less than common. Finding one with cane blades and polished brass with variable speed, now that's nice. And there you have it, a universal spinner made by Shi Chen.